So I want to make this video, and before I need to make this video, I need to put this out there. I'm not the first person who did this. This is not something new I come up with or some crazy mess. This is just somebody asked me this question, and this is the only reason why I'm making this video, because someone asked me this question. There's 100 of these videos out there. So, and the only reason I'm making one is because I keep getting these questions. I keep getting them. And the question is, how do you move your print head after you set up the printer? Because I don't know why I keep getting these questions when there's so much videos out there, but it is what it is. And I keep getting these questions, and I just rather have this one, have a video on my channel, so it's the information there. They don't have to keep asking questions. They just can just find the video for themselves, and the information's there. Again, nothing new. Didn't come up with this. This has been out there forever. So I keep getting the question asked, so I figured I'd just make a video about it. All right, so here I go. Now, with the XP 15000 and most cartridge printers, they should work on most cartridge printers. Most. Now, everything sounds good in theory until you put it in practice. The problem is Epson keeps updating their stuff. Printer manufacturers keep updating all the printers and drivers and all the other stuff. So, they say something may work right now, and then 10 minutes later it don't work again. So it might work today, but it don't work tomorrow. So just keep that in mind. All right. For right now, I know this works. This method works, so you can try this one. All right. So let me turn this camera around. All right. So on the 15,000, you're gonna go to maintenance. Can you go? Let me see. There's a way. Let me see if I can do this. Right there. Just go to replace cartridge. This is what I just did. You go up here to the ink thing. So you go to the ink thing up there. You're gonna click on that. You're gonna hit replace cartridge, and then you're gonna hit next. You're gonna hit start, and it's gonna replace the cartridge. It's gonna move. When it moves, it's in place. That's it. You just unplug the power. Voila, printhead can slide. All right, that's one method. Let's plug this back in. Give me a second. Gotta plug it back in. Now, method number 2. If the printer's off, see how the print head moves? All you gotta do is unplug it when the print head starts to move. See that? As soon as you turn it on, see the print head start moving, you just unplug the power. That's it, you just unplug the power when the print head starts to move. And it's the same thing in reverse. So we're gonna try it, I'm gonna show you. So you want to move the print head? Simple. Tell the printer to go off. And as soon as the print head moves, nope, didn't do that this time. Turn it back on. See how the print head moves? Boom, you unplug it, just like that. See that? I turned it on, print head moves, and look, see? Moves again. All right, that's one way. Now let's plug it back in. I want to show you the power off method, but I gotta wait. I gotta do something different first. The power off method works if the printer was already running for a little bit, because I just turned it on, it already homed itself. It didn't have to home itself again to turn it off. And that's why it didn't work. But you can do the same thing in reverse with the power off method. All right, just give it a second. Dismissed. And cartridge replacement, let's do that. It's gonna go back home. Dismiss. Now let me see if the power off method will work. It moves. Nope, it didn't move. But you get the gist. If what you really want in the power off method is the printhead gonna move, and then once the printhead moves, you're just gonna unplug the power. The power off method works better on the 8550, and the ET 15000, which is the other version, the ET version of the 8550, which kind of looks like this, but it has the scanner on the top and the ink tanks. So it's not the XP 15000, but the ET 15000. Yeah, I know they're so confusing, these numbers. So the power off method works on those printers better. But this one, as you can see, all you gotta do is just move the cartridge and just pull the power. It's the easiest way. And that method should work on any cartridge printer. Should, in theory. Again, everything sounds good in theory until you put it in practice and you realize they changed something and the method don't work anymore. All right, and I brought this printer out just to show you that stupid little method there. All right, now let me show you on the 8550. There's another way to do it on the 8550 too. So let me show you on the 8550. Let me show you on this 8550. Now on the 8550, on the 8550, let me show you real quick. Well, all you got to do on the 8550s, all you got to do is pop this up and put it back down, and the printhead's going to move. Once the printhead moves, you pull the power, and then the printhead gets free to move. I don't want to shut this one off because I don't need to. I need to refill that anyways. All right, that's done. All right, so you get the gist. Just do anything. Refill the inks, replace the cartridges, tell the printer to turn off. Let me do the power off one on this one to show you. So the power off method works perfectly on here. So if I hit the power off button here, look, you're gonna see the printhead move. See it? So the printhead moves. Told you it works better on these ones. And you just pull the power. Once the printhead moves, you just pull the power, and it works great on these. All right, so that's the methods. All right. Till next time. Peace.